This is the elevator at Building D of Bouquet Gardens at the University of Pittsburgh in South Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 330A. Actually, it's a 321A. It's not in the greatest shape. There's this like an Otis FEO key switch in the thing. It's weird. The floor, here you are. Door slow. Bounce. This elevator is not in great shape at all. Whoa! Why does that sound? Whoa! This thing is terrible. Rear 4. Down to 1. Certificates at 3400 Forbes Avenue. The base, which has a Gen 2, we got replaced with Westinghouse hydraulic Depco in the 80s. It's a basic Schindler cab. I got off track there. I mean, the panel's like not something like cracked. There's some like scrapes there, but I don't know what the deal with that is. Okay, so it runs a little better on the way down. It was horrible on the way up. Here, back at 1. And of course it's Pitt, so it's a combination passenger freight elevator. Can't forget that. Rambler charm, sold in 2000, or this interlux April 2000. The closest, and that's gonna be it.